nokuthi atholakale nje kubafana I'm still wondering why. Not for Pirates. No. There's certain players that can't play. I don't think uzombona angazi manazi. There are players who are so lucky. Yabona sometimes because zakho maligidile, who are we to question you? We can't question uNkulunkulu mfethu sithi wa umfana nemnikile le opportunity. Boy kuzasane nje Orlando Pirates. uPirates kamba bomntambo mfethu Figo. Star players, the players who scored so many goals week in and week out. Unfortunate, not even playing regularly. And then naba labafana bayafika lapha bona bokwayi babasign ku-Pirates. I-question ukuthi imsana kanjani kamba bofiko lapha. Ukraine very cheap. He's a good professional footballer, this guy. We can't lie, City. I mean, kuna reason why coach ambizile kubafana. He's a good professional football. For Chippa United, I think the guy, if we wahlala da, ile situation abonduli mfethu ngisazoshona namhla. There are certain players ebasuitha environment. Can he enjoy his career there mfana? You understand? Stay there, because for me mangibheka nje kuza ene the place angithi kumele uyi-earn imdawo ukuze sikubone ne-team ikubone and then makusign. You need to earn leyo nto le ebantwini. So mina watching this guy ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi what's so special about him. Angithi uyangibuza mina I've seen the player odlala week in and week out who doesn't go up, who's always on a level in terms of performance. Because when you compare him with Tito, if it's number 10, he's not gonna match that.
Yeah, because Paris doesn't play two strikers.
Yeah,
Opa made you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.